So just heading back from a coffee with my dog Neeson here, and it's very snowy, so I thought I'd make a video showing you guys how we do this. Good boy. Neeson forward. It is very, very snowy here. Can't feel the pavement with my boots just because of how much snow. It is still snowing. Good boy. Neeson forward. But these dogs have this innate ability to still figure out where they're going. Let's go. Good boy. Ottawa hasn't gotten much snow this winter, but we're making up for it now. Today, my lens is probably whiting out right now because of how much snow is falling. And obviously sound is also muffled because of how much snow there is. Jeez. Good boy, Neeson. But I gotta get my cookie. And I wanted to make a video for you guys to show you how Neeson navigates through snow. He's not from California. I mean, he is from California, so they don't get snow there. Show me. Good boy. Forward. So I had no idea that curb was there. Neeson did. Good boy. Forward. Yep. A lot of snow. So honestly, cane travel out here would be impossible. So right now, my brother is housebound. I am not. He uses a cane. I do not. So I'll just pan around for you guys who can see. Help. A lot of snow. The rink that we skate on, covered. I'm sure. He's forward. Good boy. Wow. So like I can't really walk our other dogs today, not when it's like this. Good boy, Neeson forward. Even the roadways aren't even cleared. Left. Yep. Inside. It's hard to even like pick your feet off the ground. It's just better to ski. Slide your feet. Good boy, Neeson. Very good boy. Wow. Okay, well, happy snow day to you guys, and enjoy your day, because I'm gonna go home and enjoy my cookie. Inside, right? Inside. Good boy. Thanks. Thanks. Go, 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 good boy. Thank you. Good boy, Neeson. Let's go. Hop up. Wow. I'm out of breath. It's hard work wading through ankle deep snow with big ass boots on. Hey, let's go say hi to the boys. Okay. So I live on the 12th floor of this 14-story building. 13 if you're not superstitious. Hi, Neeson. Good job. And I live with my girlfriend, Neeson, Rufus, who I'll show you guys. You guys can meet him, and Louie. You guys can meet him too. And I'm out of breath because that was a workout in its own right. Okay, so we have a little mat outside our door where we just leave shoes and stuff, boots, dog and human. But Neeson didn't need his boots today because it's not cold, it's just a lot of snow. There's no salt down yet because there's just so much snow on the ground. So let's go meet the boys. Inside. So, oh, guess who's up? This Great Dane, his name's Rufus. He's almost 11. Very sweet boy. Hey dude, and in jail over here, I'm gonna let out of jail, we have Louis, St. Bernard Great Pyrenees Mastiff. He is nearly 6. Go dude! Welcome to the funny farm.